Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a very exciting one and a very classic YouTube kind of video. These videos have always been very interesting. A few days ago, I posted an NGL link on my Instagram stories. You guys dropped so many questions and I was like, ask anything, like personal, makeup related things, tips, everything you want to know, you can ask me and I will make a YouTube video answering them while I get ready with you guys. So today I will do a get ready with me to look like a Bollywood diva. Yes, I will do a makeup inspired by Rekha from the 80s, from her photo shoot where she is always iconic. Her makeup looks always slay. Without further delay, let's start the video. You guys know it's going to be a full beat makeup, trying to have the highest coverage possible. So when I dropped the NGL link, I was kind of scared that people might ask so many inappropriate stuff because, you know, all kinds of people see my story. Not everyone are genuine good followers who saw other creators getting very scandalous questions on this NGL or question answer. My haters are very brave. They write under my post, the comments. They don't do NGL. The first one is Kon Unite Poro. So I am not studying currently, but I will be enrolled in a university very soon. Inshallah, you guys will know all the updates. I have taken quite a break from academic life. I was an HSC candidate last year. A lot of people on my social media think that I go to North South University because I went to their Pahla Falgun event last February. Even though I wrote that I don't go here, but a lot of people assume. How many times you fell in love? If you are asking about romantic loves, then I don't think I have ever been really in love, like actual real love yet. And I honestly do not mind it. I follow you for a long time on Insta, but YouTube suits you more, honestly. Keep posting, especially vlogs. Really, thank you so much. I honestly love the compliment. And thank you so much for following me, being with me on this journey. And yes, inshallah I will try to post many YouTube videos, especially vlogs. I saw you guys enjoy vlogs a lot more than just regular makeup tutorials. Okay, I will keep that in mind and try to make vlogs. I'm trying to get better at it. I feel like I'm not really that expert when it comes to vlogs. A lot of time I forget to take clips. Are you really a girl's girl? I wonder why you ask. Like, what did I do to create this doubt? I try my 100% to be a girl's girl, of course. I love my people, but I have a few words when it comes to the term of girl's girl, okay? So the thing is, you know, ever since I started my journey on content creation, on makeup, I have received so many like hate comments and stuff. I have been bullied online, especially from my parents, my makeup and everything. And a lot of times, like I see so many content creator girls like me, they always complain that men comments very like dirty and inappropriate stuff on their post. For me, it was opposite. I did get hate comments from men, which I do not even consider hate comments because comments from men under a makeup post doesn't really make sense. They write so many weird and messed up comments that I go through their social media and I see like they look like very normal, very kind girls. They wear hijab, sometimes they don't wear hijab, and they will have like Quran verses on their bio. So yeah, this happens. So I don't know why you would ask that I am a girl's girl, because I love girls, but I would love to have a community here on social media, all the sparkling girls, and we support each other. I'm setting my concealer with the J-Cat pressed powder. I love to go in with this powder with a denser brush and press onto my concealer before using any loose powder. Like her skin is very matte and like airbrushed. Current crush, not celebrity. I don't think I get crush on normal people. Men are supposed to get crush on me, not the other way around. But if I like someone or I'm interested in someone, I would never call it a crush, okay? Crushes are not for regular normal men, okay? So guys, I have started the fun part, the eyeshadow, building orangish brown on my crease. Do you want a rich husband or a handsome one? This question is very good. I would never marry someone just because they are rich or just because they are handsome. More important is that if they have good character, if we can connect to intellectual level, if we have good understanding, if he is respectful, these are the like actual qualities you should look for when try to choose someone to be your husband, okay? And most importantly, he has like provider mindset. Like just because he is rich doesn't mean that you will be like very happy or something. Your husband must have a provider mindset. I learned this from the series When Life Gives You Tangerines. Never settle for less, okay? You should marry a man that is willing to work hard for you. Being handsome is obviously a very very plus point. Like he doesn't have to look like a Disney prince. I mean, if he does, if you find a man that handsome and then, you know, all the other qualities, why not? You know what I mean, right? Can I have your brother-in-law's number? I heard he's hot. Do you think your brother-in-law is the best thing that ever happened to you and your sister? I really think that my brother-in-law sent me this because I don't think no one will ever write these things. He denied it, but I'm pretty sure it's him who wrote all this. Where did you learn makeup? When I was little, my mom used to do my makeup, and as I grew up, my sister was good at makeup. She used to do makeup on me, especially like eyeliner and all of this hard stuff. Practice makeup at home. Follow YouTube tutorials. I used to follow Kathleen Lights religiously. You can tell that I graduated from YouTube School of Makeup. Girl, I don't know why you get hate comments on your lips. They are pretty, mashallah. How do you keep them pretty? Share your lip care routine. Okay, so thank you so much. You're so sweet. Yeah, I got this compliment once before on TikTok asking how I keep my lips plump. I do not have a lip care routine, honestly. I try to keep my lips hydrated, moisturized by like using Vaseline, and I scrub my lips or I exfoliate my lips once in a while, like when I do a very everything shower or my weekly or monthly skincare routine. I try to exfoliate my lips with a sugar honey scrub, but honestly most of the time I forget to do this, but at least once in a month, yeah, I do exfoliate. Let's put some very fluffy lashes. I'm gonna leave that to your guess. I'm using this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade First Class. I think it's a very nice cool toned mauvish brown shade. What's your dream with your YouTube channel? Dream with my YouTube channel is to create the most sparkling girly community, to be honest. That was my goal when I started content creation on Instagram. I think YouTube is the original community based, I don't know how to say it, like I adore my favorite YouTubers. I mean, I have some of my favorite influencers on Instagram. They only posted Instagram, but the way I feel for my favorite YouTubers is really different. So I want to be your favorite YouTuber. What would you like to tell your ex if he wants to come back? I doubt that I will reply to him, but if I do, when it is over, it is over. I'm not a second chance kind of person. I would never like go on to explaining why I broke up with him, why we cannot be together, why I would not give him second chance and all. I will keep it very short, very simple. I will block him if he keeps bothering me. Short and simple. Guys, I love beauty marks, and yeah, this is Rekha's iconic mole. Have you ever thought of giving up? Yes, I did. And the only reason I never gave up is because my love for content creation. I love doing makeup. I love filming my makeup and sharing stuff with you guys. Going to apply it on the center. I'm kind of scared. I hope it doesn't ruin the entire lip combo. It looks good. Last question. How does it feel to be a makeup artist in Bangladeshi society? Um, I have so much to say about this one thing. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm a content creator. I do makeup and beauty related videos for social media. And the thing is, like the concept of content creation has become very popular, widespread media thing in Bangladesh. This society is not viewed as something very good, positive, or normal. It's rather something to be made fun of. The whole term of influencers in Bangladesh has not reached the global level yet. The way it is in America or UK, it does not work in Bangladesh. The people who judge you or make assumptions about you just because you post on social media can be people of older generations who can act like just because you post makeup videos on Instagram and YouTube, you're doing something very inappropriate. This is how it is in Bangladesh, to be honest, and I hope it will be better in future. Was it this year or the last year when her photo shoot with Vogue broke the internet? She still eats up to this day. So yeah, guys, that's my final look. That was my answering to your questions. Did you guys have fun? Did you guys know me better? So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.